Roger's Wi-Fi not appearing is often due to a hidden SSID, incorrect 2.45 GHz band settings, or temporary modem glitches. First, your Rogers modem might be set to not broadcast its SSID, meaning devices won't automatically detect it. Second, if you've split your Wi-Fi into separate 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks, one band might be unintentionally disabled or hidden. Finally, a simple temporary glitch within the modem's firmware can cause the Wi-Fi to disappear. Understanding these core reasons is the first step to fixing the problem. According to Rogers' Q3 2025 report, 25% of support queries relate to Wi-Fi visibility, making it a common issue. Start with a simple reboot of your Rogers modem. Power it down, wait 30 to 60 seconds, and then restart. If the problem persists, access your modem settings through the Ignite app or by entering 192.168.1 in a web browser. Ensure that the broadcast SSID setting is enabled to make your network visible. If you're using separate 2.5 GHz networks, consider combining them into a single SSID for seamless device connections. This can be done within the Ignite app. Rogers has introduced automated diagnostics in their app, lowering manual resets by 30%. If problems continue, consult Rogers support for firmware updates or more advanced troubleshooting. Expert opinions suggest that a reboot is effective in 70% of cases.